Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Granite Toolworks model a new gearbox housing in 3D software and runs a virtual fit test to the internal gears before any metal is machined. And as a result, they catch two inference problems on screen. This activity is an example of what? Is it CIM, Computer Integrated Manufacturing, CAM, Computer Aided Manufacturing, CAD, Computer Aided Design, D, Flexible Manufacturing System, FMS. So basically this question is, do you know what definition, which item, which automated system explain what's given in the problem? Is it A? Well, what's the role of the CIM? The role of the CIM is to glue everything together, integrating ERP, scheduling, and the shop floor in one operating system. Is this what we're describing here? I don't see that. So it's not CIM. Is it computer aided manufacturing? B, it's manufacturing. Are we manufacturing anything yet? No manufacturing is going on here. It's only design. Therefore, manufacturing, it's not a CAM. Is it computer aided design, CAD? And the answer is yes. Creating a 3D model and performing virtual fit test to check whether the parts will assemble correctly is a classic CAD function. So I would say C is the correct answer. And D, flexible manufacturing systems, is that the correct answer? Well, this is basically describing a product, design of a product, not flexibility, rerouting production, or anything to that effect. Therefore, the answer is C as in Charlie. Now, if you're a CMA candidate, accounting student, CPA, what you should do, go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, multiple choice, cases that will help you, whether you are studying for a professional certification or taking a class. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, invest in your knowledge, invest in your career, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.